Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Revolut investing robot. First, open the Revolut app and go to the investing section. Here you can start with the robo-advisor, which will create a personalized portfolio in just a few minutes designed to guide you toward your financial goals. The robo-advisor manages your portfolio automatically. It monitors your investments and rebalances them as needed to adjust the market charges. This means you don't have to constantly check or tweak your portfolio. It's like having a financial advisor in the palm of your hand. You can get started with as little as $100. Next, decide how you want to fund your robo-advisor portfolio. You can set up automatic transfers directly from your salary or use the card roundup features to invest spare change from your everyday purchases. Your portfolio will adjust automatically, ensuring your money is always working efficiently. The robo-advisor charges an annual fee of 0.25% calculated based on your balance and billed monthly. Your investments are fully secure and you retain complete ownership of your funds. You're free to withdraw anytime without any penalties or extra charges. Revolut also offers different account plans depending on your needs. The standard plan is free and gives you tools to save, spend, and manage your budget efficiently. The premium plan at $9.99 per month provides additional benefits to help you spend, save, and invest smarter across the globe. For those seeking the full package, the metal plan at $16.99 per month includes exclusive perks like a stainless steel card and enhanced features. Finally, once your robo-advisor is set up, just sit back and let it work. Whether you're saving for retirement, planning a dream purchase, or building a financial safety net, this automated portfolio helps you achieve your goals with minimal effort. Sign up today and join millions of Revolut users who are taking control of their investments with smart, automated guidance. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.